Hey, how's it? I just got back and I opened up the earthquake map and see this big red ball, and it's a 7.4 in El Salvador. Let's go ahead and click on it. And here it is, 32 miles deep. But here's a scale of 100 miles, so it's about 100 miles from El Salvador, and there is a lot of people that live in this area. Millions of people live in this area. 7.4, 32 miles deep. I'm sure they probably felt that. Here's a tsunami symbol. Let's check that out real quick. We'll click on this, and we'll click on the Hawaii text. And here's a memo text to the Civil Defense in the state of Hawaii. And based on all available data, destructive Pacific-wide tsunami is not expected. And there is no tsunami threat to Hawaii, so that's good. But just seeing this big red ball, and then California, and it looks like we even got a small quake, and Hawaii had a 2.8, 16 kilometers deep. That's by the volcano. And as you can see, California is still on this uptick. 32 north, 115 west. And you know what I found interesting is I did a video on July 3rd about this 32 north and 115 west getting hammered over and over. And what I'll do is I'll attach that video down by the description where the comments are, and you can check it out. But it looks like Monday's off to quite a start. Whoa. As you can see here, we started with a 4.4 in Chile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 19, 20, 21. Already 22 earthquakes. And Monday's just getting started. So we'll see what happens the rest of today. So have a good evening or morning, wherever you are. Stay safe. Aloha.